Friends on the color of Belor. Today I'll show you how to transfer your Facebook account to another phone. On the right I have Facebook where the login is made. I open it. Next, on the bottom right, I go to the profile, then click on the three bars at the top, and here click Settings and Privacy, and here click Settings. That's it. Next, click on the Account Center, and accordingly click on your profile and contact information. That's it. And there will be email addresses and phone numbers to log in. That's it. On the second phone, which I haven't logged in on yet, I log into Facebook. That's it. And enter your email address and password here. After clicking the login button on the device, yes, mine, where I have respectively a Facebook login, I need to confirm the login. That's why I go to Facebook, yes, and accordingly click on the Yes, It's Me button here. Now only it will focus. Here we press the button, Yes, It's Me. That's it. And accordingly then click the Allow button. Click Allow here. That's it. Well, after that we signed in. Now you see, I've done the login. That's all. Baylor was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.